Stop wasting hours tailoring your resume for every single job. What if I told you you could automatically find relevant LinkedIn jobs and then instantly generate a perfectly tailored resume for each one of those? This isn't a pipe dream, it's a real automated workflow we are going to build in the NITN right now. Welcome back. I am Santosh, and in this video we are building the ultimate job seeker automation, the LinkedIn job scraper and AI resume creator workflow. You upload your master resume, enter your job titles and location, and NITN handles the rest. Scraping jobs, feeding the data to an AI, sending you the perfectly tailored resume. Let's dive into the four main stages of this powerful automation, which you are seeing here on the screen. In the very first stage, LinkedIn job scraper. So what we are going to do here? So here we are going to use different nodes where you first will be using the form trigger node. Okay, this is where everything starts with the form trigger node. This is a user-friendly front end where the job seeker inputs title. Job seeker is going to input the title separated by commas, and job seeker is going to upload the file either in PDF or Word. So anything is accepted, PDF, docs, or anything that is accepted here. And user is going to enter the location, and user is going to enter the email address to which he needs to receive the updated resume for that particular jobs. So this is where our first node will start, where our automation flow will start with the job application form trigger node. And most importantly, they upload the resume either in PDF or Word. So the next critical step is to extract the resume using this resume extract resume content node. Here we are extracting from PDF, so here we will get this binary format of data from the job application form. We are extracting to PDF. So here we have given the input binary field here. We have just copied this name and we have just pasted that name here. And when you click on execute this step, this is going to extract the content from the PDF like which you are seeing here. It is going to extract the content from the PDF. So this text is the original resume. This text is the original resume that our AI agent will use it later. Now in the step 2, so we are now the magic of getting the job leads. So we are using the HTTP request node here to trigger Appify LinkedIn job scraper. This node dynamically pulls, this node is going to dynamically pull the job location and job titles from the initial form I have configured. So where we have initial form configured, from here it is going to dynamically pull the job location, which is here I have entered Bangalore, and it is going to dynamically pull the job title, which is separated by commas. So once it is going to get these values dynamically from the initial form, I have configured it here to only pull the two most recent full-time jobs. If you see here, I have configured here to pull only two most recent full-time jobs. So in the expert level experience I have mentioned, the expert level experience here which I have mentioned, this is a work type, which is the work type. If it is 3, it is full time. So if it is 2, it is a contract. So like that we have here the levels for the work type. And if you see here the experience level I have mentioned 4, which is a mid to senior level role. But you can customize this data, include the job title, description, company URL. It is sent. So all this data which is pulled here using this Appify, it is going to get stored in stored jobs in the Google Sheet. This creates master list. It is going to store here in the Google Sheet. Here is that Google Sheet. So here I am capturing job title, job description, location, salary, company, employment type, LinkedIn post URL, and the resume URL, which we will understand later. Okay. So here all this data will get captured into the Google Sheets using this Google Sheet node, where we are appending the rows into the Google Sheet. Okay. So this creates master list of all the scrap jobs into Google Sheets for our easy tracking. So here you have seen this Google Sheet. You have to create a sheet in your Google Drive, and you have to connect your Google Drive where you have created that sheet. here into this node. Here if you see, I am giving LinkedIn jobs. Our sheet title is LinkedIn jobs and we are using sheet 1. So here I am giving LinkedIn jobs and here it is the sheet 1. Okay, so and all the data is stored there in the Google Sheets. Now this is the core value of our workflow where resume tailoring agent will play a very important role. Here we are using LangChain Agent node, which is powered by a connected OpenAI GPT-4 large language model. So here we are using GPT-4o, which is a large language model. I have connected here my OpenAI account. If you are first time using NI10, you also get NI10 free OpenAI credits, but I have connected using my OpenAI account. How you will connect, you can refer to my earlier videos, or you just click on this create new credentials, go to your OpenAI account, copy and paste your key here, just click on save, you will get connected. From here you can select your models. Okay, this is where you are going to connect your OpenAI model. So here in this LangChain node, which is our AI agent node, here I have given clear instructions what this has to do. So you are an expert resume writer, okay, and tell it to use your original resume. So from where you are getting this original resume, you are getting this original resume from the extract resume content node. So here in the extract resume content node, I have just dragged and I have just kept this text here, so which are seeing the same. So from here I am getting my original resume which I have uploaded using the form node. So I get that original resume content here in the AI agent, and I am giving the job title here and I am giving the job description here, which we have entered in our form. Okay, here I am giving this job title, I am giving the job description. Okay, so I am giving the job title and job description which you have scraped from your API file. So I am giving this title here. If you see, I am giving this title here. Okay, and I am giving this description here. So based on this title and description, so I am also giving the instructions. So analyze the job title and description carefully, identify key skills requirements, tailor the resume content to highlight relevant experience and skills that match this job, maintain exact same formatting style, section headings and structure as the original resume, keep the resume professional and truthful, only emphasize existing skills and experience, return only the complete tailored resume in the same format as the original. So these are all the instructions which I am giving here in the AI agent. Don't worry, I am going to give you this JSON in the description as a link. You can go there, download, import into your NI10 workflow. Go here, just click on import file and attach this JSON so that it will get imported into your NI10. You just have to change your API keys. In API file, you have to enter your own token here. You have to enter your own token here. In the similar way, in OpenAI, you have to give your own credits. Okay, own API key. And Google Sheet, wherever you will create the sheet with these columns. You are going to connect that Google Sheet here to this node, that Google account to this node. Okay, so now we are ready with our resume tailoring agent. So we have configured and we have given required instructions to the AI agent what it has to do. And the next stage is resume creation. So we have the content created by this AI agent for each and every job description. It is going to tailor your resume as per the job description that is pulled by this LinkedIn jobs scraper. So now we have to create a resume document in Google Docs, and then we have to update this sheet, okay, with that resume URL wherever it is going to create. If you see here, this is a Google Doc where it has created my resume. If I copy this, if I go here, if I paste this, you see it has created this tailored resume. Okay, so this link you have to get appended here into your Google Sheet. So what we will do here, first you have to create Google Doc with resume. This is where it is going to create Google Doc with resume. First it is going to create a blank document in your drive. So you have to give your operation has create, and here you have to give the title followed by date. Okay, so that you know for which job title it has tailored and created this document. Here it is going to create based on the title, it is going to create an empty document. So once it is created empty document, we are going to update that document with the tailored resume content that we are getting it from here. If you see here we are getting this tailored resume content for different job titles. Okay, so this content should get updated on the document which is created by this node. So what we will be doing here in the update document, so here you are going to give the JSON ID of the document, which the empty document which is created, you will be giving that ID, and here you will be giving the text. The text from where you will be giving the output which you receive from the resume tailoring agent, you will pull and drag it here. So this is where it is going to append this resume title to this empty document that is created in the before node. All this content is going to updated in your document. Once the content is updated in your document, in next Google Sheet node, so here you are taking a node, so which is a update row node. So you just have to go here, you have to type sheets, go into Google Sheet. So here you will have the update row in the sheet. You just have to click on this, you will get this node here. Again you will be connecting your Google account here, and here the operation will be update row, and here you will be selecting your Google Sheet document which is your LinkedIn jobs, and here you will be giving your sheet and map each column manually. Job title, by job title we are mapping job title. Here I am giving the job title. So here you need to insert this small JSON. How you are going to insert this small JSON? You just have to go here, you have to drag this title and you have to place it here. If you see, this is the same thing which I have mentioned here. Okay, so you just have to do that, and here you will be giving your resume URL. You just have to give this script small line here, http://google.com document/d, and here you are going to give your ID which is created here. So this document ID you are going to bring and you are going to place it here in the before node which it is created. So once this is done, so all these resume links which you are seeing here, as per this job description, your resume is tailored and it has created a Google Doc link, and this link will go and append against this job title. In all the rows you are going to get this links appended in your Google Sheet. Once this is appended, what we are doing, we are extracting in this node. This is a code node where you go here, you will type code, you will get this node, you will just click on this node. In the code node you will be giving this JavaScript where the output you will be getting to which email. Okay, we have to send this document URL and what is the job title. Okay, to which email you have to send this document URL and what is the job title. So this is what you will be setting out here in this code node, and here I have added a wait node of 5 seconds, because sometimes what will happen is at a time if 3 emails we send it to the Gmail, first email will be delivered and next 2 emails might get blocked if Google treats it as a AI generated one. So here we will add a wait node of 5 seconds. You can keep it 2 seconds also. Let us keep 2 seconds. Okay, let's click on save. And here in this Gmail, what you are doing, you are just pulling this email from the wait node and you are just dropping out here, and subject we are just keeping your tailored resume for the job title. Okay, this title we are just dragging and dropping it here, and then in the message, what I am doing in the message, I am adding the job title, I am adding the document URL which is this. I am adding the document URL. So now with this we have completed our complete workflow. Now let's run and see how this is going to perform. If I create node by node here, it will take a lot of time, and if this video will go more than 30 minutes, I don't want that to happen. So we will run this workflow and I will share this JSON along with this video. You will find in the description. You can download, you can import the same JSON and you can do this on your own. Let me download, let me execute. So here I am giving title as Agile Coach. Okay, for that sake you can give anything. I am just uploading my resume here. Agile Coach or Scrum Master. Okay, Agile Delivery Lead. Okay, and here location I am giving Bangalore. Email address I am giving Okay, now I'll click on find jobs, or else here I can give India also, whatever it is, you can give any location. So I click on find jobs. Now we have submitted. So here if you see, it has extracted our resume. Here you see it has extracted our resume which we have attached. So now here Epify LinkedIn Scrapper is looking for the jobs on LinkedIn which match our job title, okay, which we have given in the form, and the location as well. Okay, so now it have pulled. If you see here title Scrum Master, so we have given Scrum Master also, so it has pulled, and the company name BlackRock, and we have given location as India. So we have got from Gurgaon, Haryana, India, and this is the job description and the application count posted ago. So all these details. Okay, so here mid to senior level, everything you will get. So and you get the job description, everything here. So it has pulled. Let us see. Still I think it is working. So yeah, we got one item and totally it got executed. So here it went, and this job title is stored in the Google Drive. Let us go and see Google Drive. If you see here, company is the BlackRock, Gurgaon, Haryana, and you see the job title, it has stored here in the Google Drive, and you see the LinkedIn posting URL. Let us copy this and paste here and see. So this is the LinkedIn posted URL. You can go here, apply from here. Okay, and here you also see the resume which it has tailored as per the job requirement. I go here, copy paste. If you see here, this is tailored as per the job requirement. Scrum Master, it have updated all the things Scrum Master. Okay, it has tailored as per the job requirement. And if I go here, so this resume agent, so it has written the resume here, and we got this output, and here it created the document with the name Scrum Master. With this name it has created the document. Okay, let us go into the Google Drive and see. Now you are seeing nothing here, so let me refresh. If you see here, Scrum Master, it has just created 5:18. If you see here, now the time is 5:19. It's just created now, and it has updated our Google Sheet, and we should also get an email, because we also need to get an email. We have added the Gmail note here. Let me go here. If you see your tailored resume for Scrum Master, you see here we have successfully tailored your resume. So here the email sent by NITN automatically. If you don't want to get this, what you have to do here, you have to go here, you have to append NITN, you have to disable this and execute this step one more time. Okay, let us go here, go back, and let us refresh. We have to get another email. You see here, now we don't see that NITN here. You get the resume as an attachment, you get here the hyperlink. If I click here, you will see the hyperlink. Now you can little format your resume little bit. Okay, and the content will remain same. Only thing is you have to format your resume little bit, and you just have to go here. You have this link here in your Google Sheet. Copy this link, go here, click on apply, and log in with your credentials and attach that resume, and you can apply for job on LinkedIn. This simple, you can create this workflow, a completely automated system to level up your job search. This workflow is a game changer, not just for you, but for anyone who you know who is job hunting. If this blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe for more automation builds, and check the description below. I have included a link to the complete NITN JSON file, so you can try this yourself. What other career automations should I build next? Let me know in the comments. Thank you everyone for watching this video.